Since 2010, Cars.com has graded every vehicle is tested for child sightworthiness. The site gives recommendations for the ones that got high marks in all categories. Over the past 12 years, Cars has tested more than 600 vehicles for fitment. For 2022, it tested 52 new vehicles and published the list of winners. It scores the vehicles on each of the large system, lower anchors and top tethers. How it fits: a rear-facing infant seat, a rear-facing convertible, forward-facing convertible, a hatchback booster and third row access were applicable. The big winners this year were the 2022 Acura RDX with good styling update and room for 2 car seats. The Audi Q5 Sportback got high marks across the board. The Cadillac XT5 and Ford Escape PHEV made the list.